Welcome to another episode of the Boogie Garage. So, as you probably remember from the last week, I told you that we have also a surprise car after selling the Cyber Golf 2024, and so let's reveal it. So here's old Miata. It's NBFL. MX5, another MX5, so this will be a sister for our NA, a little bit younger sister. This is also 1.8 liters engine. It has some difficulties, basically from the mechanical point of view. The engine is in a good condition. There's a problem with the roof, so this has to be changed. It isn't very wet inside, but still something that is worth looking for. But the most terrifying thing is here. So it looks like this. Ah, yes, awful stuff. Let's take a closer look. Oh yes, a lot of rust. So this has to be repaired. So yeah, this is one side, and this is the better side actually, because Jesus Christ, this will be a come out. Oh, this is metal. This is good. This is metal. Okay. Yeah, this was the better side, and this side is much worse. So yes, but still there's some. There is some metal there, so this is good. Promising looking. And here, there is basically nothing. Oh jeez. Hello! Ah yes. There's the hole. There's no anything at all under there. And this is okay. I think we'll manage to fix it up. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Anyway. Let's start with important things. So important things are making it a little bit more drift-like. So let's open the roof. Roof is also problematic to open a little bit, as it doesn't want to go down. Let me just show you. Something is not yes, as we say in Polish. Okay. It's not it. Yeah, something is not yes, but we'll get to this later. Okay, so first of all we have to do several things. So one of them is new wheel for the car, Naba. I don't know how it's called in English, but this is something that we have to mount. Gear shift knob, and of course the handbrake knob. I don't know if this is called knob, but yeah, this is something that we have to do because those ones are very shitty. So, the first thing to do before changing the steering wheel is disconnecting the battery. So let's do that. Okay, let's start with a knob. So this is straightforward, just roll it out clockwise, counterclockwise. Alright. So this was the old one. Let's take a new one. Great success. kind of. Yeah. Yes. Is it too long? No. No. I remember doing this in the first MX5 NB. You can find the photos right now. It was a long time ago. I can't remember how it was made back then. How? Not cool. I lost the rod inside. I'll have to figure this out. Okay, so the idea was to kind of widen it up with the clippers. And right now it's coming in, but not this side. So I have to use the grinder and remove this kind of mushroom. And once this mushroom is gone, it will go fine. Hopefully. Always wear protective glasses. It's promising. Yes! We'll see if it fits. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I've got this part. So right now this part. Yes, baby! That's what I'm all about. The cheap tuning from China. So right now we have to screw it in. Or maybe not. And I fucking lost another one. And another one. But at least this works. So the rule is, if it looks stupid, but it works, it's not stupid, right? So this is what I figured out. It looks bad right now, but hold on. Always use what you have on your hand. I will make those silver stuff black in a second, just hold with me. It's black now, so good. Right, so let's go with the steering wheel. We have basically two rubber covers on each side of the steering wheel, and right now we need 10mm. Just unscrew those bad boys. We are now disassembling the airbag, and yeah, that's it. Just an airbag. Remember to always disconnect the battery because it can fucking blow. Set the wheel straight, and you are good to remove it. It's 22mm. Yeah. Oh yes. Yeah, boy. I got you. So what we need to do next is remove the cover to remove this rotation thing. Right now we can remove this screwing. It's the same screw as same connection as here. So if you buy anti-airbag light, you can basically connect it here. Right, so we kind of have a horn covered by now, so the cable with the positive cable for the horn is right there. So it has been on some kind of a quick switch, but I lost it, so whatever. Just cut it out. Place a pretty stiff cable here. I used this unused bolt here and did something like this. So it's kind of always sticking to the hub. Okay, so this is not a naba, it's in Polish. Hub is in English, so let's stick with hub. And yeah, so it should work now. And so this cable is now positive. We'll have to plug it into the steering wheel, and the other side to the negative we can stick to even the mass, so the ground can be found even here. So we'll check this out if this works. So okay, battery is plugged. Like I said, here's our let's say experiment. This is positive plug, so I will have to wrap it up with the the tape, and also we'll find the ground somewhere even here. So let's check this out. It works. So next thing we need to do is to get rid of airbag sensor, because right now it says that we don't have airbag, and it's about correct. So if you notice, it will constantly blink. Yeah, so okay, second obstacle has been just fixed, let's say. So there was a problem with the airbag, so what you need is 2 ohm resistor. The problem is I have like a fucking million resistors here. See, this is all resistors, and not even single one, which is 2 ohms. So using some, maybe not knowledge, I'm fucking stupid. This is something I did on my university, but when you don't use it like all the time, you just keep forgetting things. So I totally forget that you can use resistors in parallel to create a lower resistance. So basically, when I took 10 ohm resistors, it turns out, let me show you guys. So without, I don't know if you can see it, let me show you. There's a warning that there's no airbag, but hold it. Ah, yes. Do it like this. Yes, baby. Of course, I will have to do it kind of prettier. Okay. Yeah, boy. So let's do this to look nice and tape it all, and we have everything, but we need to assemble the steering wheel and everything will look nice. Okay guys, it works. So we have everything right now to place the new wheel. So like I said, 5 resistors, 10 ohms in parallel to the switch, and now it works like a charm. So let's just keep it right there, so we can leave right there. There's this funny thingy which mimics the hub movement, so it's always connected to the positive. So this is a positive cable, and negative will be placed right here somewhere. And yeah, that's it. Let's do this, because it's so cold that I'm starting to sneeze, and this is not a good sign. So place everything back together and get hell out of here. Alright, so this is all for today. I think I will have to check on this tomorrow. It's too cold right now. Thank you very much for watching. Click like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Okay, the sound was caused by this, and now it's gone. So it's a great success. All good. All done. So let's take a ride and... never mind. Everything's fine.